Living in Alaska, it's obvious that people are fiercely independent, but more so they have a strong commitment to community. They're always willing to help somebody in need. They go out of their way to do so, which is why I want you to click the link below. This is the same training I went through to start my online business, and it can help you. It's a step-by-step process. And maybe you're like me, maybe the 9 to 5 just isn't working. You're just spinning your wheels, and one day you wake up and you're 60 years old and you realize you got to do something different. 2022 is a game changer. It's easy to start an online business. You've already got the tools. You got a cell phone. You have a laptop. You're online. Obviously you're on social media because you're watching this video. Make that time pay off for you. Make that time give you your freedom back. You know, I'm making a little extra money every month, and it helps. But more so, it gives me a sense of freedom, that there's hope, and I'm sticking with it. I'm going through it. That's why I want to share this opportunity with you. Click the link, and if you have any questions afterwards, come back to my TikTok, and I'll help you any way I can. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side.